past 3 years, the rated power of commercially operational battery energy storage in ERCOT has increased by around 22 times to about 4.6 gigawatts. We expect this to double by the end of 2024 to around 9.2 gigawatts and to hit 14 gigawatts by the end of 2025. And this is all even accounting for potential delays in commissioning. And there's been a shift towards longer duration batteries. Batteries greater than 1.5 hours in duration now make up 32% of total installed rated power in Texas, up from 19% a year ago. This shift towards longer duration systems enhances the grid's ability to handle extended periods of high net load. These batteries are also better suited to take advantage of energy arbitrage opportunities, as an increasing proportion of battery revenues move out of ancillary services. Batteries continue to be built across the state. Total installed rated power in each of the 4 major load zones increased by at least 65% in the past year. This indicates investor confidence in the performance of batteries in all parts of the state. This widespread deployment ensures that the benefits of battery energy storage are felt statewide, bolstering grid reliability across Texas. Thanks for watching.